to TechTube. Today we are going to see the amazing Android trick by using a Google Chrome. Yes, some of them were using keypad to write and search in Google Chrome. By using these, we can search easily. Yes, for example, you can write like this. You can write like this and you can search by easiest way. Now let's see how to enable this. Yes, now go to Google Chrome and you can see the below left side setting is there. Click that setting and you can see the search setting is there. Click the search setting and you can see that search history, save search filter, video, recent location, handwrite, private result, etc is there. You want to enable this handwrite. I am already enabled this handwrite. It will be in disable mode. You want to enable this handwrite and click save option. This pop-up menu will appear. Your preference has been saved. Click OK. Then come up this. Yes, you can see this tool and bottom side space is that. This is the easiest way to write in and search in YouTube. Okay, thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned to TechTube. Thank you.